Okay, this is actually insane. So I got Claude Code here controlling my Unity, and he just set up this scene. I told him to make a quick test, and quick it was because he set this up in it was less than a minute, and he set up this scene here. And I mean, look at that shit. You can. Here's a full player controller, including jumping, gravity, and he made several like assets. Right, it's just a quick test, but it took him 20 seconds to set up this. Now he entered planning mode for a full game, and I know what he can do with WebGS, right? So with WebGS, you can check it out on aigamesforyou.com, World of Claude. I mean, he does things just with like squares and simple shapes there. So I can only imagine that in Unity this is going to be looking a lot better. There's Terran engines and so I'm pretty excited, but I'm just like the setup was a bit right, but Claude Code basically like set this up himself, and now I got an MCP server running, and he can now do things on my Unity. So that's like. This is like now, right? This is almost 4.6, but I think pretty sure like Sonnet 4.6 can do things now as well. But like this is only gonna get better, and I know that for a fact that I'm very impressed what he can do with WebGL, like Web 3D.js alone. So I'm like sure that this is already working pretty great, and like just imagine, like I know that Unity is also working on integrating like they're counting on this heavily, and I know why. I don't know, like I'm kind of like a vibe coder, very into things, and I'm just testing this out now. Like just wait until people are catching up to this. This is only possible, I think, since Opus 4.6, because before that, maybe 4.5 could also do it. But I imagine like this was a huge step, and this is just like the start. But the MCP ability seems to be there for a start. I'm just like pretty amazed how quickly he just created a scene. He set up like what 20 objects. Like imagine how long I have programmed Unity manually, right? I know how long it would take me to set up the things like this. It's not 30 seconds, I can tell you that much. It's not like very complicated either, but yeah. So that's amazing. So already worked for a long time, still planning. So that's gonna take a bit, but I'm gonna use. I'm currently on the max, the $100 plan. So I'm gonna put some of that work into that Unity project for now. Right now, I think I'm gonna start out on PC just because I don't know, it might be. WebGL is always problematic. So I want it to be not problematic for now to see what it can do, but then probably port it to WebGL and have that on aigamesforyou.com to play for free, but we'll see.